the recipe for Pavakai fry or bitter gourd fry. So the ingredients we need is the bitter gourd, cut it into circles, and then we need some rice flour, half a cup, and BESAN flour, 1 cup, 2 teaspoons of chili powder and salt as your requirement, and then as a fotida. You could also add some turmeric powder, about a quarter spoon. Mix all the ingredients except the bitter gourd with some water. Just sprinkle some water and mix everything together. Once it's mixed well, you can add the cut bitter gourd and again mix everything well. You can add a little bit of water to get it a bit loose, but don't add too much water as we will be frying this. We don't want to add too much water. So just sprinkle some water just so the mix can stick to the bitter gourd and coat it nicely. Now heat oil in a pan and then deep fry the pavakai little by little, and once it's golden brown, it's ready to serve.